Hey there! Today I'm gonna present my implementation for the final project of cs50 web course. My application is called Fitness App. The concept is having a user interface where you can track down your workout progress and somehow analyze it. Let's take a look into it. Well, if you visit index page or any other page while you're an anonymous user, you will not be able to see much. All functionalities are bounded to the user. We should log in first. Now on an index page we see a dashboard, but we will talk about it later. Everything starts in the exercises library. This is just a collection of all exercises available on the website. These entries are added by users. If you want to add new one, just provide it with title, URL of image source and description. Instantly the new card appears. It shows the image, title, description along with the author username. Then, what those exercises are useful for. The core feature of the website is Perform page. It allows to log your workout with any exercise from the library. We choose it here in the drop-down, then we provide our real performance data. With the buttons you can add or remove sets. For better experience, weight is copied to the next set automatically. After you provide the reps count being in that field, you can press enter on your keyboard instead of pointing all the way to add set button with the mouse. Sometimes you need to introduce a workout record you did yesterday or 2 weeks ago. That's easily done with the calendar day pick control. And of course, you can have multiple exercises in the same workout. After clicking finish button, it sends a post request, and if it was successful, it redirects you to the logbook. Here you can see all your workout entries. Previously I said that you can add more than one exercise per workout. But what if you do the same exercises, for example, every week, and want to make it a bit easier? Well, grid the plans. With the plan, you can create such a routine, specifically combine few exercises in a collection and then assign it to the day of the week. Let me show you how it's done. Provide the name, then add as many days of the week as you will actually perform workouts. Fill it with exercises. I've created the custom autocomplete control, so you can find your exercise name in a snap. And this is your plan. Now you can see it appears here. So, how to actually use it? The link between plan and a user is called subscription. To follow a plan, you need to subscribe. And that leads us to the dashboard. Here you see 3 major things: a reminder of when you did your last workout, the volume trend, and the schedule generated by your plan. The schedule widget is basically the copy of your plan, but with 2 more features in it. First, see those colors? Orange and red? Orange marks today, and the red shows you that you missed your workout that day. There's also green, which appears if there is a record of a workout done by you that day. Secondly, workout day names are not just texts anymore. They are represented as buttons, which will preload a perform page for you with listed exercises. And that's what was it all about. You now don't have to do all that selecting each time manually. I will show you that if I go into the Monday routine and actually change date to this Monday, the schedule will now highlight this day in green. And our final wonder, the volume trend. It is a graph built on a real user-provided data per each exercise. This is useful to see how weights and reps affect your total volume. The example you see is an actual captured performance of mine. The white bars is volume. You don't need to understand its values. It is a relative measure, and you should always see the pattern of climbing stairs, with each peak higher than the previous one. Also, you have 3 lines, values of which are understandable. Red line represents maximum weight in the one workout. Here, for example, I took 90 kilograms, but my total volume was relatively low. Let's find out why. The green line can help us with that. It shows how many sets I did per that workout. So here I made only 4, compared to 66 kilograms. I was able to do 9. Pink line is responsible for explaining your capabilities with the weights, as it shows your maximum repetitions with the maximum weights you took in that session. Here again, I was able to do 14 repetitions with the 66 kilograms and only 1 with 90 kilograms. Thank you for watching this. If you'll have any questions about this solution, let me know in the comments. Goodbye.